In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to try ChatGPT 2026 Full Guide. By the end, you'll know how to start with a clean slate. Craft precise prompts, analyze files, refine answers through conversation, and verify sources so you can trust what you publish. First, begin in a fresh topic context window. Open your desktop browser and go to chatgpt.com or launch the official mobile app. In the navigation sidebar, click the new chat or edit icon at the top left. This starts a brand new thread, which clears out lingering constraints from earlier projects and keeps stray instructions from biasing your results. Think of it as wiping the whiteboard before you write. Next, formulate precision prompts using a simple persona context matrix. Skip vague asks like, write a marketing plan. Instead, pack 4 elements into your first message using Shift plus Enter to break lines so it stays readable. Begin by assigning a role such as act as an expert copywriter and communications editor. State the core objective, for example, draft a professional, concise email inviting feedback from our beta testing group. Add style and formatting constraints like use a warm, friendly, but authoritative corporate tone, and keep it around 120 words. Finally, name the target audience, such as busy startup executives. This structure reduces guesswork and consistently sharpens the output. If your task involves long documents or data, harness the multimodal plus menu. Click the plus icon to the left of the prompt box and choose Add Photos and Files. Upload a PDF report, an Excel workbook, or a Deus Ex brief, and pair it with a clear directive such as analyze this attached operational profile. Extract the 5 most critical action items and summarize them in a scannable markdown table. Combining the file with a tightly scoped instruction speeds up deep research. Treat the first answer as a draft and refine it conversationally. Ask for length reductions with prompts like make that 30% shorter and remove filler. For style matching, paste a short sample of your writing and say, analyze the cadence and vocabulary, then rewrite the previous response to match this voice. Iterating within one thread preserves context and improves precision. Before you publish, verify. Use the Sources button that appears at the lower left of a response to open the Sources sidebar, review linked URLs, and confirm freshness. For big projects, apply the chunking principle. Have the model draft a complete outline first, then write each section turn by turn for maximum structure and density. For quick starts, try these templates. For professional writing in a corporate communications context, ask for a 150-word formal out-of-office reply formatted as clean email paragraphs. For academic learning, request a simple analogy that explains the difference between micro and macroeconomics in numbered steps with zero jargon. For technical data summaries as a business intelligence analyst, ask it to analyze a user feedback string and present issues, impact, and fixes in a 3-column markdown table with clear, bold metrics. Combine precise prompts, attached assets, iterative refinement, and strict source checks